in Tamil. Dear brothers, this is the pool of Siloam. A man was waiting for years together when an angel came and tilted the water. But Christ came there and asked the man, "Take your bed and walk." He was healed by the word of Jesus Christ. From this pool of Siloam, we went to En Karim. This is the place where John the Baptist born, and there is a beautiful church. Dear brothers, after seeing En Karim, the guide took us to the place where Christ buried. It is called the garden tomb of Jesus Christ. Now you are seeing the Mount of Golgotha. It was the place where the skull of Goliath buried, and now it is called as Golgotha. But previously the name was Goliath. Brothers, now you are seeing the place where Christ's body was laid down for 3 days. This is the entrance of Christ's tomb. This is the stone which was to close the entrance of Christ's tomb. Brothers, we stayed in Bethlehem and we went to see the place of Christ's birthplace. This is called as the Nativity Church. This is the place where exactly Christ born. Dear brothers, this is the place where angel appeared to the shepherds when they were keeping their flocks in the hill. It is called Shepherd's Field. This belongs to Boaz. Boaz was the owner of this place. After this place, we went to Bethany. Now you are seeing the house of Martha and Mary, where Mary anointed Christ in a perfume. This is the tomb of Lazarus. After this place, we went down to see the city of Jericho. Now we are in Jericho. Brothers, now you are seeing the fig tree. Do you remember when you see this fig tree? Yes, we remember Zacchaeus, a short man who was very eager to see Jesus Christ, but he could not. So he climbed upon this fig tree and saw Jesus Christ. And Christ also called Zacchaeus, "Come down, I will stay in your house." Brothers, now you are seeing the ruined walls of Jericho. Now you are seeing the Mount of Temptation. So, when Christ baptized, Satan took Jesus Christ to this mountain and he testified. There was a trial for Christ. It is a very high mountain. Now you are seeing the lowest place of the earth. It is 1,300 feet below the Mediterranean Sea. So after seeing this city of Jericho, we travel to the Dead Sea. This is the hotel where we stayed in Bethlehem, called Bethlehem Hotel. This is the place where the way leads to Rachel's tomb. Dear brothers, now you are seeing the Tower of David in the city of Jerusalem. Now you are seeing the close up of the Tower of David. Dear brothers, now you are seeing the Mount Sinai. So where Moses get the 10 commandments from God. He climbed 7 times in this mount. It's a very high mountain. Under this mountain, there is a monastery called Catherine Monastery. Now you are seeing the well of Moses. When Moses was flocking his sheep, he used to water his sheep from this well. After seeing all these things, we travel by bus to Egypt. Now you are seeing the Nile River and a cruise. Dear brothers, it is wonder to see the pyramid in Giza, the ancient world wonder. It's a wonderful construction. It is occupying 13 acres and 230,000,000 stones are there. Now you are seeing the Sphinx with the man's head and lion's body. It is made out of a single stone. So this is the flight in which we traveled. It is Oman Airways. I hope, dear brothers, you might have enjoyed by seeing all these Holy Land pictures. I pray, our Heavenly Father, that each and every one of you must visit this place at least once in your life.